40 degree. Now let us see what they are asking. They are asking you to find measure angle CPD. Now tell me where is C? C is over here. Now CPD means what? CP is connected. So let us connect CP by a segment CP and CPD. तो PD को भी connect करना पड़ेगा. So it is PD. So this is the angle CPD. So now tell me, looking at this, all the information is given and the diagram, which property it resembles or which property will suit this? This is the third property which is based on the angles, which says that the two congruent chords make two congruent angles at the center. Over here, chord AB is congruent to chord CD. So the angles made by this chord at this center will also be what? Congruent. So angle APD will be congruent to which angle? Angle CPD. So angle CPD will be how much? 40 degree. Because congruent means what? Same. So let us see how to write this question. You have to write first length of AB is equal to length of see, chord AB is equal to which chord? CD. So length of chord AB is equal to length of chord CD. What is the reason? Congruent chords given means what? This both the chords are congruent and it is given in the question. Now let us write again. Now which additional information is given? Angle APB is 40 degrees. So let us copy this information. Angle APB is equal to 40 degrees. What is the reason? The reason is given. Means given in the question. Now from this given information, what conclusion you derive? You derive that angle APB is equal to angle CPD. So let us write that. Angle APB is equal to angle CPD. What is the reason for this? Congruent chords make congruent angles at the center, that is P. Means what? AB is a chord, CD is a chord. AB is congruent to CD given in the question, right? Chord AB is congruent to chord CD. So when this congruent angles make a center angle, means over here the center is what? P, and this chord makes a center angle which is over here, and this chord also makes a center angle over here. So when the chords are congruent, the angle made by them at the center will also be congruent. So if AB is equal to CD, the angles made by both at the center will also be congruent. Now let us write angle APB is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, angle, see, APB is already given in the question as 40 degrees. So I have copied it over here, and no need to write reason, because you have already told that it is given in the question. So if APB is 40 degree, angle CPD will also be 40 degree. That you have to mention. So angle CPD is equal to 40 degree. So that's it. This is your final answer. So clear with this question? It is just based on the last property, which is congruent chords make congruent angles at the center. Now let us start with the fourth question. Let us read the question first. The radius of the circle is 5 cm. Okay, so what they are saying? They are saying that the radius of the circle is 5 cm. There can be n number of radius, right, for a given circle. Now let us read the question further. The distance of a chord from the center is 4 cm. Okay, they are trying to tell कि एक chord है. So let us draw a chord first. So this is a chord. I'll name it as AB. So the chord is AB, and they are telling कि the distance of this chord from the center is 4 cm. So let us draw a line joining the center of the circle to this chord. So what is the length of this line? It is 4 centimeters. So let us write 4 centimeters. Okay. So the line, the distance of this O, and I'll name this point as M, where it touches the chord. So the distance of OM is how much? It is 4 centimeter. And what they are trying to tell is find the length of a chord. Okay. Now ये chord का length हमें find करना है. How it is possible with this? Because see, congruent chords का एक property है that if two chords are congruent to each other, then the distance of this both the chord from the center will be equal. The third property what it says, first property what it says, if there is a perpendicular, it bisects the chord equally. मतलब OM जो है वो इसको bisect करेगा. AB is equal to MB. But over here also, but AB तो लगेगा ना to find half और यानी half part. But यहाँ पे तो ना हमें AM पता है ना MB पता है. How can we find AB? So first property we cannot use. Second property also we cannot use. What is the third property? The third property says that अगर दो chord है तो वो center में जो angle बनाएंगे ना वो भी congruent होगा. But यहाँ पे तो एक ही chord है तो ये property भी cancel हो जाती है. So now how to find this? Go back to this question. They are telling you that the radius of the circle is how much? 5 centimeter. मतलब ये information तो हमने use ही नहीं किया कहीं पे. So let us use that. I'll draw a radius OA. Why only radius OA? Because अभी यहाँ पे AB point बताया हमें और कोई point तो नहीं बताया. So what we will do? ये जो point हमें बताया है and the center, we will join this to form a radius. So we have formed a radius OA. Now let us name this. So let us write the measurement of this radius, which is 5 centimeter. So I'll write 5 centimeter. So I have radius 5 centimeter, OM 4 centimeter, and they are telling it is a perpendicular because distance of a chord from the center will always be perpendicular. So let us draw a perpendicular sign. So this is a perpendicular. Means what? 90 degree. Now remembering the properties of 90 degree, hypotenuse right angle triangle, hypotenuse theorem, what it says, the side opposite to 90 degree will be equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining sides. So over here tell me which is the side opposite to 90 degree. It is OA. What does it mean? OA will be equal to OM square plus AM square. So let us write that. Length of OA is equal to length of OM square. Over here also we have square. Length of OA square is equal to length of OM square. Length of OA square will be equal to length of OM square plus MA square. So I will write plus MA the whole square. So this is the hypotenuse theorem. You can write the reason as hypotenuse theorem. Okay, so this is what hypotenuse theorem. Now let us substitute the value we know. Now look into the figure. Do I know OA? Yes, I know OA, which is 5 square. Do I know OM? Yes, I know OM, which is 4. So I'll write 4 square. Do I know this MA? No. So what I will write MA the whole square. Now let us find the values of this 5 square, which comes to 5 5 is 25. So I will write 25 is equal to 4 square, which is equal to 4 4 is 16. So I have 16 over here plus MA square. Now tell me, over here I have 25 and over here I have 16 plus something square. Okay, so what I will do is MA को मैं यहीं पे रखूंगी. MA is equal to and 16 को मैं यहाँ शिफ्ट करूंगी. So this positive 16 जब equal to के ये side आएगा तो it will what? It will be negative. So let us write 25 minus 16, which comes to what? 9. 16 के बाद 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25, which comes to what? 9. So I have 9 MA square. MA square is equal to 9. So tell me what is MA? Square root of 9. 3 3s are what? 9. So 9 का square root क्या है? 3. So MA will be equal to what? MA is equal to 3. Now I got the length of this MA, which is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. So what we have done, we have just used the hypotenuse theorem to get the value of half chord, which is AM. Okay. Now see how, using this information, how can we find the length of AB? Till now you are clear, right? We just have used the hypotenuse theorem, which we have learned in the 7th standard. This theorem is for the right angle, which says that the side opposite to right angle will be equal to square of the sum of the squares of the remaining side. यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री ये था, इसके opposite OA था, तो OA square will be what? Will be equal to summation, means addition of the square of the remaining sides. अभी ये side तो हमें find करनी है, तो उसके remaining sides कौन से होंगे? ये triangle में OM होंगे और MA होंगे, तो इन दोनों के स्क्वायर्स का एडिशन जो होगा वो OA होगा. तो इस थ्योरम से हमने फाइंड किया AM का वैल्यू, विच इज 3 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ लेट अस सी, यूजिंग दिस इंफॉर्मेशन, हाउ कैन वी फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द होल कॉर्ड, विच इज AB. ये डायग्राम को देखने के बाद डू यू फील कि इट रिजेंबल्स एनी ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी, और डू यू फील कि कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ हम यूज करके AB की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं? यस, इट इज द first property. What does the first property say? If a perpendicular is drawn from the center to a chord, then this perpendicular will bisect the chord. Means what? अगर कोई perpendicular line हम center से लेकर chord तक draw करते हैं, तो वो perpendicular line जो है वो chord को दो equal समान हिस्सों में बांट देती है. तो here I have OM, which is perpendicular to AB. So OM bisects the chord AB in two equal parts, which is AM and MB. So अगर AM 3 सेंटीमीटर है और वो परपेंडिकुलर जो है वो दोनों को बाइसेक्ट करता है इक्वल पार्ट में, तो AM अगर 3 सेंटीमीटर है तो MB क्या होगा? वो भी 3 सेंटीमीटर होगा, राइट? So the answer is MB is equal to 3 सेंटीमीटर. If AM 3 सेंटीमीटर है, MB 3 सेंटीमीटर है, तो AB कितना होगा? AB is equal to what? AB is equal to AM plus MB. तो AB जो होगा वो AM plus MB होगा, मतलब 3 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 3 सेंटीमीटर, 3 plus 3 6 सेंटीमीटर. तो जो AB होगा वो कितना होगा? 6 सेंटीमीटर. So let us write this. How we will write this? Length of AM is equal to length of MB. The reason for this you can write it as the theorem. What does the theorem say? The perpendicular drawn from the center cuts the chord into two equal parts. ये जो परपेंडिकुलर है OM, वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? सेंटर से, और कॉर्ड को टच करता है. मीन्स व्हाट इज इट? इट इज फुलफिलिंग दिस थ्योरम व्हिच सेज द परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल टू अ कॉर्ड bisect cuts the chord into two equal parts. Means what? This will be equal to this. So in the next line I will write AM, length of AM is equal to how much? 3 centimeter. So means you can write therefore length of AM 3 centimeter है, तो MB कितना होगा? 3 centimeter. That I will write MB is equal to 3 सेंटीमीटर. अभी AM मिल गया हमें 3 सेंटीमीटर, MB मिल गया 3 सेंटीमीटर. क्वेश्चन में A और MB पूछा है? नहीं. The question is asking you to find the length of the chord. Chord का लेंथ क्या है? AB. So let us find AB. Therefore, AB is equal to, see this is AB. What is the length of AB? AM plus MB. So let us write that is equal to length of AM plus MB, length of MB. So the answer will be what? 3 plus 3. The answer comes for this is what? 6 centimeter. So what is the length of AB? The length of AB is 6 centimeter. First what we did? We were given this and we were given this. A radius and a perpendicular. What we did? Joining this 3, we formed a triangle OMA. Now we have a triangle OMA. What we did then? We used the hypotenuse theorem and we found the length of the third side, which is AM, which comes to 3 centimeter. अब हमें AM मिल गया है and we have this property that a perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisects the chord into two equal parts. So over here OM जो है वो perpendicular है किसके? AB chord के. Means what? ये जो perpendicular हमने draw किया है वो AB को दो equal हिस्सों में बांट देगा, which cuts the chord AB into two equal parts at the point M. So we have AM equal to MB and hypotenuse theorem से हमें क्या मिला? The length of AM 3 centimeter. So if AM is 3 centimeter, MB will be 3 centimeter because equal parts मतलब क्या दोनों का length same होगा. So if AM is 3 centimeter, MB will be 3 centimeter and AB कैसे मिलेगा? AM और MB को add करके. So we have AM plus MB equal to AB. So 3 plus 3 comes to what? 6 centimeter. So the length of AB is 6 centimeter. So by using hypotenuse theorem and the first property, we can solve this question.
No more spending your energy and money on coaching classes or missing classes for rain, for rally, and any other nonsense. Subjects covered by multiple teachers with repeat telecasts. Doubts, concepts, applications, no problem. All explained through great and significant animation. So sit back comfortably in your home and watch Study Spectrum TV channel.
Now let us start with the fifth question. In this question, let us read the question what they have given. The radius of the circle is 13 centimeter. Okay, they are trying to tell कि the radius, which are n number of radius in a circle, is 13 centimeter. And let us read the question further. The length of the chord is 10 centimeter. Okay, they are trying to tell कि एक chord भी है जिसका length 10 centimeter है. So let us draw this chord. This is the chord. Let us name it as AB. So this is AB. The length of this is what? 10 centimeter. Given in the question. Now let us read the question further. Now what they are trying to ask you. So let us read it. Find the distance of a chord from the center. Okay. So let us assume this is the center O. And they are telling कि find the distance of this center to a chord. Means एक perpendicular draw करना है जो center और chord को join करे and उसका length find करना है. Over here it is O and over here I'll name it over here as M. So OM एक ऐसा perpendicular है जो center से start होता है, chord AB को touch करता है. वो उसका length हमें find करना है, which is unknown. Okay? और क्या information दिया है? No, the question is over. Means what? इसी information से हमें ये find करना है. Like previous question, we will draw a radius OA. Joining OA. This radius, क्यों यही radius को मैंने join किया? You can even join this both and find this segment and then just find this segment. But preferably OA ज़्यादा convenient लगता है. So दो OA को join किया. This is what? This is a radius. Why radius? Because radius is the segment which connects the center of the circle to a point on the circumference. यहाँ पे कोई और point तो नहीं दिया था except B. So एक point को लेना है. So here I have taken it as A and OA को join कर दिया. O is the radius and we know the length of this. See, the radius of the circle is 13 centimeter. Means what? This is 13 centimeter. Like previous question, this is also what? Perpendicular. Means what? 90 degree. by using hypotenuse theorem for this triangle, which is OAM, we can find the length of this segment, which is unknown. So let us do that. In triangle AOM, angle AOM is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so length of OA is equal to how much? 13. Length of AM is unknown, and sorry, it's 10 centimeters. It is 10 centimeter, but AM हमें find करना है. ये जो 10 centimeter दिया है, it is the length of the whole segment, which is AB. But we need what? Only AM, because this forms a part of our triangle. So AM कितना होगा? AM will be the half of AB. Why half of AB? The theorem, the first theorem, which says if a perpendicular is drawn from the center to a chord, this perpendicular will cut the chord into two equal parts. Means AM will be equal to AB. So let us write that. Okay, we will solve this question, this hypotenuse theorem later on. First, let us write this. That how we got AM. So let us write length of AM is equal to half of length of AB. Reason for this is what? Perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisects the chord equally. So, if it bisects the chord equally, AM will be equal to MB. Means what? If AB is 10 centimeter, तो 10 centimeter का आधा होगा AM, because AM MB दोनों सेम है, and वो दोनों को मिला के AB बनता है. तो AB अगर 10 centimeter है, तो दोनों पार्ट कितना होगा? अगर दोनों पार्ट सेम है, 5 होगा ना, then only it can be same, and when addition is made, it can be 10 centimeter. So what is length of AM? Length of AM is equal to half of 10, which comes to how much? 5 centimeter. So we got AM as 5 centimeter. Now we have to find this, which is OM. So let us see how we can find this length OM. Now we will see this triangle, which is OAM. So in triangle OAM, see, look, this is a triangle. In this angle OMA is how much? It is 90 degrees. So I will write that angle OAM is equal, angle OMA. So angle OMA is equal to 90 degrees. See, look over here, angle O, this is M, this is A. So angle OMA is equal to how much? 90 degree. So I will write, therefore, length of, see, which is the hypotenuse? This is the hypotenuse, which is OA. So length of OA is equal to length of OM square plus, over here also we have square, plus MA square. So I will write MA square. Means hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining side, which is OM and MA. So I will write that. And then what we know? See, OA we know it as 13. So I will write 13 over here. 13 square is equal to OM, which is this. We don't know OM. So I will write length of OM square like that only. Plus MA. Tell me what is MA? MA is this segment. And what is MA? We got in, just now I have told you, MA is equal to half of AB, which comes to half of 10. which is 5 centimeter. So this is 5 square. So this 13 into 13, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1. We got 169. So 13 square is what? 169. So I have 169 over here. OM square, because we don't know that, plus 25. Now tell me what will be OM square. OM square को अलग लिख दिया, इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट कर दिया, तो it will be 169 minus 25, which comes to what? 169 minus 25. 4 4 1 144. So I have 144 over here. But this 144 is what? This 144 is OM square. So OM square is equal to 144. Tell me what will be OM? 10 10s are 100, 13 13s are 169. बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 11 and 12. But 11 11s are 121. So ultimately which number comes? Let us try by 12. So 12 12s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 and 1 means comes to what? 40. 144 means what is the square root of 144? It is 12. And what is the square root of OM square? मतलब OM square मतलब क्या? OM into OM. तो उसका square root क्या होगा? OM. So OM will be equal to how much? 12 centimeter, which is the answer which they require. They want what? The distance from the center to a chord, which is OM in the figure. So OM तो हमें मिल गया, which is 12 centimeter. तो let us revise यह सब हमने पहले कैसे solve किया. हमने एक chord draw किया, a perpendicular and a radius. Then what we know? We know the radius is 13 centimeter. We know that the chord is 10 centimeter. हमने फिर वो property use की कि the distance, the perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisects the chord equally. तो अगर perpendicular OM draw किया तो AB equal हो गया. AB को दो equal हिस्सों में बांट दिया गया, which is AM and MB. तो AM is equal to MB. तो अगर AM और MB सेम है और दोनों मिला के 10 सेंटीमीटर होता है, तो एक हिस्सा कितने का होगा? 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो हमें मिल गया AM as 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो ये ट्रायंगल के दो साइड हमें मिल गए. By using hypotenuse theorem, we found the third side. Then what we did? The third side का hypotenuse से जब हमने फाइंड किया तो उसका स्क्वायर मिला. हमने उसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल के हमने एक साइड फाइंड कर लिया, which is 12 centimeter, and that's what they require. Now let us solve the last question of this exercise, which is the sixth question. Let us see what they are asking in this question. The chord of the circle is 30 centimeter long. Okay, पहले लाइन में बता दिया कि there is a chord which is 30 centimeter long. So let us draw a chord. This is the chord. Let us name it as, कुछ नाम नहीं दिया क्वेश्चन में, so we will name it as AB. So it is AB, which is 30 centimeter long. Let's see और क्या बोला है. Its distance from the center is 8 centimeter. उसका distance center से कितना है? 8 centimeter. तो क्या करेंगे हम? एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करेंगे सेंटर से लेकर कॉर्ड तक. उसको एक परपेंडिकुलर साइन देंगे. एंड व्हाट इट इज? कितना है डिस्टेंस? डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज 8 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग. इसको हम m नाम दे देंगे. ओके, नाउ लेट अस रीड द क्वेश्चन फर्दर. फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. और क्या बोला है? हमें रेडियस फाइंड करना है. तो रेडियस कैसे मिल सकता है? By joining this OA. You can even join OB. इसका आधा फिर यहाँ लिखना पड़ेगा तुम्हें. And hypotenuse same you do over here, same you can do over here also. Okay, it does not make any difference. So I'll draw it over here. OA को connect करूँगी मैं, which is a radius. Tell me what is what is the definition of a radius? Radius is a segment which joins the center of the circle to any point on the circumference of the circle. A जो है वो सर्कल के सर्कमफेरेंस में है और O जो है वो सेंटर है सर्कल का. उन दोनों को ज्वाइन करने वाला क्या होगा? रेडियस. सो OA इज व्हाट? OA इज अ रेडियस. नाउ लेट अस सी और हम क्या फाइंड कर सकते हैं. बस अभी इसे से हमें सॉल्व करना है. सो टेल मी ये कैसे मिलेगा. पहले तो हमें OM फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. so that we can use this triangle, and by hypotenuse theorem we can find this side. So how to get AM from AB, because AB is given as 30 centimeter. See over here, a chord is 30 centimeter long. This is a chord AB. तो पूरे chord का length दिया है 30 centimeter. हमें सिर्फ कितना part चाहिए? AM. So what we will do? Length of AM plus length of MB is equal to length of AB. What will be the reason of this? The perpendicular, I'll write a perpendicular sign drawn from the center to a chord cuts the chord into two equal parts, which means what? AM और MB को ये AB chord को OM जो perpendicular है वो आधे आधे हिस्सों में बांट देता है. तो it will be what? AM is equal to MB. So I will write, instead of MB I can write AM as well, क्योंकि दोनों का लेंथ तो सेम है. तो I will write 2 length AM is equal to 30 centimeter. So what is the length of एक वाला AM? मतलब ये 2 जो है ये यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा? Divide. So I will write 30 divided by 2, which comes to 15 centimeter. अभी हमें ये मिल गया 15 centimeter. AM कितना है? 15 centimeter. We know that OM is 8 centimeter. Now this triangle AOM is which triangle? It is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle में एक theorem है which is hypotenuse theorem, which says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining sides. अब यहाँ पे hypotenuse क्या होगा? Angle side opposite to 90 degree, which is OA. तो OA square is equal to OM square plus MA square. So let us write this. हमें AM तो मिल गया, which is 15 centimeter. Now we will write in triangle AOM angle OMA is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, length of this hypotenuse, which is OA square, is equal to length of OM square, which is this segment, plus this का square. So I will write plus AM square. Now we know AM कितना है? AM कितना है? 15. तो I will replace this by 15. तो 15 square, यहाँ पे plus का साइन, यहाँ पे OM हमें पता है. Yes, we know OM as 8 centimeter. So I will write 8 square. 8 8s are, see now 60. We have over here 8 square. 8 8s are what? 64. And 15 15s are 225. Now tell me what is the addition of this? 5 plus 4 9. 8 289. So now let us see what is the square root of 289. I'll write 289 over here, forming a pair from the end. So 89 will form one pair and 2 will remain single. But 2 2s comes to what? 4, and 4 is greater than 2. The answer in the division form cannot be negative. So what we will use? We will use 1. So I will write 1 3 times. 1, 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 comes to what? 2. And over here I have 1 1s are 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. 189. Now I have to get a number, such a number over here, that this number multiplied by this number will get me 189. So let us check. I'll write 2 and a dash over here and a dash over here. Multiplying this both, I need 189. I can write over here 3 because 3 3s are 9, and at the end what I need 9. But that number will be too smaller. So what we can do is we can move on further. Which square has 9 at the end? 7 7s are 7 7 is 49, which has 9 at the end. So let us try by 7. I'll write 7 over here, 7 over here. 7 7 is 49. So this 9 is right. Now 7 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, I got 18 also over here. Means what? The 7 is the right number. So I'll write 7 over here, 7 over here, 189 over here. 189 minus 189, 0. 7 plus 7, 14, 1, 3. 34 over here and 17 over here. Means what? 289 square root is what? 17. So the answer is what? 17. Means what? OA is equal to 17. So let us revise this question. How we move about? See, we had AB as 30 centimeter, which is the length of the chord. We use the theorem which says if a perpendicular is drawn from the center to a chord, it cuts the chord into two equal parts, which is AM and MB. So this perpendicular OM has cut the chord into two equal parts, which is AM and MB. तो अगर पूरा chord 30 सेंटीमीटर का है तो आधा कितने का होगा? 15 सेंटीमीटर. So we got AM as 15 centimeter. Whereas we have already been provided with the additional information which says that OM is 8 centimeter. That is the distance of the distance of a chord from the center is 8 centimeter. So I have 8 centimeter over here, 15 centimeter over here, and this is what? A right angle triangle. So by using the property of hypotenuse theorem, we got the square of the other side, and by getting the square root, we got the length of the other side. So this is how we got the radius, which is OA.